Alright mga dude pare, so we're here now at the testing grounds of the Zeekr Group, and while we're here and testing out Lynk & Co vehicles, check out what I saw. Tingnan nyo to mga dude pare. So apparently under the Geely Group, there is a pickup truck called Radar. So this is the sub-brand of Geely, Radar, which this is an RD6 Econ, and mga dude, pickup truck siya. Look, it's a mid-size pickup truck, but here's the clincher. This is a full electric vehicle pickup truck na, wow, look at that rear end. Tingnan nyo ng truck bed, pare. Ang chunky niya, oh. Ang chunky, ang laki ng rear end. Dami mong pwedeng ilagay. Look at that. Wow. Ganda. Ang taas ng belt line niya, mga dude, pare. So, wala pa tayong masyadong mga detalye dito. Basta alam ko lang, it's a full EV pickup truck under the Geely Group. Gwapo rin niya. Tingnan mo yung harapan niya, oh. Walang any butas yung grill kasi nga full EV siya. So, walang diesel fumes to mga dude pare. And because EV, malakas ang hatak nito. Malakas ang torque nito. So, let me know in the comments kung gusto nyo makita to sa Pilipinas. Sana may magdala nito sa Pilipinas, dude. Radar pickup truck, RD6 Econ full electric pickup truck. Yeah!